Ginika ma call him mom. Ginika ma call him mamo. What will I tell my mother? Ginika ma call him mom. Ginika. Mama.
Phone to mow. What type of flower is this? What type of flower is this? Is it wedding flower? From where? It's not a dream.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I rape you. I rape you. Don't try me. Leave me alone. I rape you. I said, I rape you. Don't try me. No, just try me. Don't try. Hey, I will disfigure your face. Leave me alone. I will disfigure your face. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I rape you. Make una come oh. Make una come oh. Make una come oh. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I rape you. Make una. I will kill somebody here. I will kill somebody here. Oh. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I rape you. I rape you. Make una come oh. Come on, I walk, I did normally, I carry on. You know, it's the normal level.
But in your shop?
No, just normal level now.
You don't run on now.
Normal level, you know, it's the be. You understand? Normal level, you get. Normal level now. So now she's going to hold me.
Maybe now, shall we be now? How much you want?
I don't want your money.
For waiting? Why you don't want the money?
You have to drop me in my house.
I'll drop your house. No wala.
You want to go drop her?
To show you that I don't want problem, I go drop her.
Yeah.
No wala, I go drop her. Leave me, I drop you. Leave me, I drop you. I'll drop you.
So drop her. Bro, you just be careful. All these girls there.
No, not temptation. God pass them.
Just be careful.
God pass them. I go drop you.
Where are you coming from?
Officer.
Shut up. Officer, he's taking me to my house. Thank you. Drive.
Drive. My friend, drive this car.
Why did you ask me to stop you? Why did you ask me to stop you? Tell me now, why did you ask me to stop here? You said I should take you home.
This is my house. Follow me.
Huh? This is
Shut up and follow me.
This is your house. This is your house. Hey! Hey! Ekutana mama mi water. Hey! Ekutana mama mi water.
Shut up and follow me.
Hey, Ginika back on mama.
Let's go.
Ginika back on mama, please. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, please. I never knew you are from this side. I'm sorry, please forgive me, please. I was just joking. That joke I did. That joke I did. I was just joking. I never knew. I don't want to go this side. I don't want to go, please. Please forgive me. I'm sorry, please.
Will you shut up?
I'm sorry.
Let's go.
Please forgive me. I'm so sorry, please. Please forgive me. I was just joking. I never knew you. I never knew you were from this side. Nico, forgive me. I was just joking.
Will you shut up and follow me?
Daddy, very beggar. Very beggar.
What is the problem?
I saw her getting down. One thing to one thing.
You carried one thing to one thing.
Yes.
One thing to another thing.
Yes, Daddy, but I'm sorry.
Old man, leave the way.
I know you.
Please help me.
I know more than you are feeling. I beg you and you have.
Old man, I said leave the way.
He doesn't know Grandpa.
I beg you. I will never try it again. I swear in my life. I will never ever try it again. Please beg, I don't want to enter here. You could do Mama me one time.
Is it already flower or what? From where? Ike? Hey! Talk to me now! What type of flower is this? Ha! What type of flower is this? What happened? Tell me! And your mother! What happened? Tell me now!
It was last night. I carried a girl. So one thing to one thing. One thing to one thing.
One thing to one thing. What happened? Say one thing to one thing.
The girl is evil.
Evil? Hey!
What you want? How much not around? I don't have what I can also home. Because what I want, yeah. Because how far away? Oh, one day, oh, one day. Oh, one day, oh, one day. Oh, one day, no one of ya. Oh, one day, oh, one day. Oh, one day, oh, one day. Oh, one day, oh, one day. Oh, the man, no one of ya. Also, he came in. I don't have no what I can. Oh, no, man, Zubby. Because I'm Zubby, oh mama Zubby, mama Zubby, mama Zubby, I'm Zubby, I'm Zubby, I'm Zubby. Oh one day, 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 oh one day. Ha 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 ha. I need a coin. Give me coin. To Ike to give to me. Give it to me. Mama no ma omega. I'm bar. I want a cream hobo. I'm good. Man happen eh, but here. It is over now. The spirit has been appeased.
Please, hope my manhood is not affected.
You can go and test it.
What is it? Amarachi, what happened?
I don't know. My mother sent me to come and tell her that the village meeting has been shifted. So when I got here, I saw her lying down on the farm. So I had to help her to this place.
Mama, you went to farm? Mama, why now? Mama, you have BP, you have heart problem. The doctor said you should not do anything stressful. Why did you... Let's take her to the hospital.
Mama, let's go to the hospital.
Mama, we are...
Let's go. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Mama, try now.
Mama? Drink water, drink water, drink water. Drink water. Mama, sorry.
Mama, drink water.
Sorry,
Mama, drink water.
Take water. Mama?
Yeah?
Mama? Ma?
I want to ask you for one thing.
Okay, I'm listening.
Make sure you get yourself a wife.
Your wife?
If you know that I will be happy anywhere I'm going.
Mama, I will get married, okay? But this is not the right time for this. Because let's go to the hospital first. Mama.
Let's go. Mama.
That was crazy. Thank you very much for hosting me and my beautiful wife. I'm so happy and grateful and thankful. But I'm missing something.
Oh, yeah.
I wish my mother is alive to witness this awesome.
No, you don't go there. See,
the house so rest in perfect peace.
See, the good thing here is that you've got a wife.
No, rephrase. Beautiful wife.
Okay. You got a beautiful wife.
Okay now?
Are you okay now?
Better.
Okay. And I know wherever your mom is right now, she will be happy. All you have to do is to love her, cherish her, adore her. Do you understand? And she will be happy with you. Finish.
Yes, but you're missing something.
What am I missing?
Load her. Load her.
Load her. You are there. You are there.
Emma. Thank you for hosting us today. Hosting Dikeh. Look, next time it will be in my house. I will host all of you. The way Dikeh comes back from honeymoon, takes over.
But Charles, please, before Anya Bebe Gilieni, Iyapolanya for only.
No, my wife loves it. No, I love it. Dikeh, now welcome to the club. I have been telling you.
Baby, no. I'm okay.
Baby, no, eat now. Eat now. Eat before you go to work. Let me give you more.
No, baby, no. I'm late for work, okay? I will eat when I come back, eh? Yes. Bye-bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
From the city will come and finish everything. Ukpo market is not a place we waste time to go. Pick up put and go. Hey. Sorry. Only. Sorry. Let's go. Sorry.
Do you remember me? I visit when I want. I've come for what is mine. You want to ask me about the witch doctor? She only did that to appease me for a while, but not to scare me forever. Ike, I own you since the day you slept with me. Do not say this to anyone, or you will die.
Please. Please. Please don't kill me, please.
I will not kill you. Ike, I've missed you so much. Let's go to your house.
No. Please, no. My wife.
Shh. Let's go.
Anakwamo, analumana. Atogokwamo, atonumato. Spiritual wife, obukoziadio. Ginika miakolumamo. Obumu bebakwa, analumana. Obumu baboso, atonumato. Spiritual wife, obukoziadio. Ginika miakolumamo. Obuku wasiadi analumana. Nuku sobu obele jolly atonumato. Spiritual wife, obukoziadio. Ginika miakolumamo. Anakwamo, analumana. Atogokwamo, atonumato. Spiritual wife, obukoziadio. Ginika miakolumamo. Obumu bebakwa, analumana. Obumu baboso, atonumato. Spiritual wife, obukoziadio. Ginika miakolumamo.
Let's go inside.
My wife.
She's not home, but on her way. If you keep delaying, she will meet us here. Let's go.
Alright, let me lock the gate.
Let's go inside. Let's go.
What can you feel? Onye na-ego taro n'elu ụwa, ogodo ya ego taro ya o. Anakwamo, analumana. Atogokwamo, atonumato. Spiritual wife, obukoziadio. Ginika miakolumamo. Obumu bebakwa, analumana. Obumu baboso, atonumato. Spiritual wife, obukoziadio. Ginika miakolumamo. jolly jolly atonomato spiritual wife obukosi adio Ginika mi akolo mamo spiritual wife obukosi adio
Ike.
Janet, you're back.
Yes, I'm back. Are you okay? Is there any problem?
Problem? No problem.
So why are you at home at this time and sleeping?
The sun is too high and no passengers on the road, so I decided to come and rest my head for a while.
Okay. Let me prepare something for you to eat.
No, I'm not hungry. Oh, you can prepare.
I'm still in this house.
Baby, what's wrong? Baby. What is it now, baby? Huh?
I've lost
Hey,
it.
baby.
Stop! I've lost it.
You've what?
I've lost it. I've lost it.
Baby! 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 Baby, please wait. I want to talk to you.
I'm rushing to be my favorite customer, eh? When I come back, we'll talk.
Baby, wait. I won't take your time. Please, let's just talk about this now. I beg you.
Business first. Okay?
just can't run, I just can't hide. No matter where I go, she's by my side. I don't need her, not at all. What will I do now? Who can save me now? I hear strange voices in my head. There's a strange woman in my bed. I can't run, no, I can't hide. I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Mbasi aje ejima ke yamuna bania. See, you don't want to beg me.
Beg you for what? I will have my own stuff.
I'll take that one.
Give me, I want to play for my own, Joe.
Hey. Beg me, oh. Beg me, oh. Beg me, oh.
Sister, I'm ready.
Oh, so what should I tell the woman?
Tell her I sent you to come and collect the money, that I want to use it.
Okay. Alright, I'm coming.
Mama, I hope it's only message you're going for and you're not going to branch any other place.
Uncle, you don't trust Oma again. I'm coming back right now. Trust me.
Please, Oma, did you warm the food?
Yes, sister, I warmed everything. I'm coming.
Please, leave my sister alone. She is old enough to have a boyfriend.
I didn't say anything again. Oh.
Well, let me go and serve your food. Oh?
Go where? Sit down, please, don't bother yourself. When she comes back, she'll serve me, okay? Just sit down. See, I have told you several times, do not overstress yourself. Don't let anything happen to my baby.
Onny, nothing will happen.
I've told you.
I'm not playing again, Joe. Only you is having all the 6.
Do you know what?
What?
Let's go inside. Why are you smiling?
I'm not smiling. Ah.
Let's go inside. You get to shakara. Let's go inside.
Wait, easy.
Okay, wait. Don't let anything to happen to this. Guys, enjoy. Yeah?
Right there.
Man. Charlie, one. See how this girl is wasting this black beautiful drink. Eh? Why you? What's wrong with this girl? Stupid girl, stinking thing. Eh? Let me go to Marital, man. Eh? Can you imagine? Hey, let's talk about who the call guy now. Stupid. Okay, my friend used to see that you be tripping for them, and you can't look at what you're pouring again. Yeah? Nonsense.
I know.
This girl knows nothing. Nonsense. Mike, don't mind me, please. I'm sorry, Charles. I'm sorry. Guy, how are you enjoying your marriage?
Marriage. Marriage. My brother. Marriage is another phase of life. When you come back late, you will explain. When you come back early, you will explain. When you don't finish your food, you will explain. When you don't eat at all, another big wahala.
I'm enjoying the drama though. It's just another phase of life.
Ike, that one is for you. Look, as for me here, Charlie, who dare ask me any question? Ginika, my wife, does not speak when I'm talking.
Charlie, that one.
If she talk, I'll beat her. That is how I want my home to be, and it stands that way.
Hey, Charlie, let me tell you something. Marriage is all about understanding. It won't be like that until you guys get to know each other well. A good woman worries about her husband. You understand? And his well-being too. A woman that is caring is always worried about her husband and the well-being. So my advice to you is that Akuznani brought the tiger.
Emma, wait. You can listen to me as your senior in marriage.
Okay.
Look, women are so dynamic. When you give them an inch, they take a yard. Now when you give them that yard, they take a mile. Now that your marriage is just early, you have to do something about it.
Charles,
so you're supposed
you're lying.
Let her respect you.
Let me advise you. See, you have to look for a sack back of sand and box before you cover again.
I leave this girl alone.
It's possible.
Yes?
This girl messy. This girl messy.
Mess again! I don't like her.
This girl knew how to hear, guy.
You know how?
You could see a badge and you not could see a yeah? It's like you're not going to take another one because now if you finish now you go and start beating your wife.
Leave this.
I'm the man here. So don't ask me stupid questions, okay? Nonsense. So shut up, don't honey me. Mannerless ape.
Why are you shouting? Why are you disturbing this compound? Are we the one that gave you drink?
You must be stupid from that word that came out from your book account with you. You're smelling mad. Give me food, let me eat. Rest. It is your father that is a drunk. It is your father.
Yeah. Charles, do not refer to my father as a drunk. Don't insult my father.
Your father is a drunk.
And as for the food, there is no food in the house.
Huh? You are not serious. Why didn't you cook that coconut you cook for me? I want to eat.
With which money? Did you drop any money when you were going out?
I am a doctor. I am a chemist. I am a chemist. God give me for useless woman.
Eh? You a husband to a useless woman.
More.
How am I useless, Charles? How? I'm a good housewife. I take very good care of you. I'm a big. So how am I useless?
You are useless.
Look at you.
And a very
Charles, let me tell you something. Do not disturb the peace that I have now. And I need my body. Do not disturb my peace. I mean, you hear charm my dear baby.
I'll with you. Come back here.
Just leave me alone.
Come back here.
Leave me alone.
I'll hook you. You never get friends now.
That is why you know how to
make it through. That's all this.
Get out.
Look
at you, are you not ashamed? Hey! Hold me! Hold this man, that is all.
Ginika! I will kill you.
And where is she going to?
Honey.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm going to Janet's place. We are meant to go to market together. Ginika was supposed to have been here. I wonder why she's not here yet. Honey, you will spoil my makeup. Stop, Joe. give me that. Thank you. I'll help myself.
Honey, I have told you not to overstress yourself. I don't want anything to happen to my baby or...
Nothing will happen. Okay? It's just to go to the market now. We'll be back before you know it.
Where is Oma?
Oma, she should be here around... I think she went to see some of her friends. She'll be back soon. What took you so long?
My dear, don't mind me. My uncle. We're talking about land. The one is going to sell. The one is sold. I don't know.
Oh, I hope you will not touch your own.
Sell my land. He cannot. He cannot do that.
I trust my husband.
Trust me. But meanwhile, the most important thing here is my baby. Let nothing happen to this.
Hey, wait, nothing will happen.
Okay. Just go and give me something, please.
Okay.
Sorry, oh. Sorry, oh.
You didn't show up. So we came to check on you. So how did it happen?
No. I was walking inside when my money fell on the ground. As I bent to pick it, I didn't know that iron was there. I now hit my eyes on it. The thing almost blinded my eyes.
Thank God, oh. Thank God, eh? If something worse had happened, what will you tell people?
Thank God. Hope you have removed it. Immediately. I removed it. Hey! I am a Chago.
Hey, oh. Can understand. Ndo,
Thank you too for coming to check on me.
Are we not your friends? What are friends for? Make sure you take your drugs properly, so that it will heal fast.
I will.
Take good care of yourself. We want to see our friend fine again, eh?
So how is your baby cooking?
I will take you to my world. You will like it. It's such a beautiful place. You will love it. You will like it. Trust me. Trust me. You wouldn't believe what I just saw.
What did you see?
I saw your husband with a girl in his car, kissing and caressing.
What?
I did not let him see me. I said I should come and tell you first.
You saw my husband with a girl? Where?
In his car. Come, let us go so you will see for yourself.
Hey, Nne, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Don't worry, eh? He will come and meet me at home.
Janet, come, let us go so you will deal with that girl.
I don't want to go there and create a scene outside. He will come back home and meet me. Oh, ne. Don't worry, eh?
food, oh!
You didn't come back on time. And I even prepared the akukone you asked me to make for you.
One of my customers started my cab, so I took him to different places. He didn't finish on time.
I understand. It's okay, you look very tired. Don't worry. Let's go inside. Right, I'll fix the cold shower for you.
My love, you are back.
Yes.
So early.
Please, we're outside. Stop.
What are you trying to do? We're outside now. Stop.
Okay, let's go inside.
I'm trying to cook.
Don't worry, cook later. Let's go inside.
Stop. We're outside. Don't do that.
Enjoy it.
Of course I did.
You need some more?
Have mercy on me, Biko.
Oh.
Honey, you didn't go again?
Go away. I'm just coming back. Or is that a new way of telling your husband welcome?
But you just left now saying you're coming.
Me? Left? Honey, if that is a joke, you better stop it. Get up there and go and find me something to eat, because I am very hungry. And why is everywhere scattered like this? Huh? Honey, are you okay?
Daddy's coming, okay?
Okay, mommy. Hey, mommy, let me play with you. Who will be my friend? Who will be my friend? Who will be my friend?
I will be your friend.
Mommy, who is your friend?
You're my friend.
Yes, mommy.
Yeah.
I'll be your friend.
Hey, darling. Come. Come. Come and say hello to your daughter. Say hi to your daughter. She's the result of the day we met. She's the fruit of the seed you planted in me. Go on, ask the question. Why is she so grown? Ike, do not compare your words with mine. This is the reason I stay away for some time. Go on. Say hi to your daughter. Rema. Say hi to your daughter.
Mommy, what's giving my phone? Don't carry me.
Ike, you're scaring her. Go on. Carry your baby.
Don't carry me now.
Go on, carry her.
Mommy, what's wrong with Daddy?
He's playing with you. That's how humans play.
Please take away now. Please take away. Daddy, carry me now.
Go on, carry your baby.
Me now. Daddy, carry me. Carry me. Daddy, carry me now.
Ginika, call him Mamo. Hey, what will I tell my mother? Ginika, call him Mamo.
Okay. Okay, I'm coming. Okay. Angela.
Sir?
I got an emergency call now. My wife is sick, so I'm rushing home. Please do take care of the shop, okay? I got an emergency call now. My wife is sick. I'm rushing home. Take care of this shop. Do your calculations well. Don't make mistakes. Please, I am coming, okay? Coming right away.
Oh, good. Sister, stop crying now, sister. Hey, sister. Don't leave me, sister. I promise you. Sister, I promise you. The baby is not affected, sister. How can I be this, sister? Only good to you. How can I be this, sister?
What happened to you? What happened?
Uncle, I was spreading clothes at the backyard and I heard my sister screaming, Uncle. And by the time I got there,
Help me. Let me take her to the hospital. Hey, what is this?
Sister, I'm sorry.
Oma! Go and get taxi! Okada, anyone you see! Walk fast!
I'm sorry, sir. You know, she lost so much blood.
Hey, and all we can do now is evacuation. Doctor, is he Evacuate.
Doctor, are you trying to tell me that you're going to flush my baby out?
Exactly.
Hey, doctor, this cannot be now. It cannot be. Hey, doctor, is there nothing you can do to make this baby live? I thought there's this injection you people used to give her injection or something, and doctor, you have to do something.
I wish there's anything we can do now. All we just need is your permission so that we'll carry out the evacuation.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! What kind of man are you? I am not leaving you. You are not going anywhere. You are not leaving till you give me the money I ask for. I said leave me alone! I will do no such thing. Leave me alone! Do your worst! Me! Do your worst! What? I don't come! Stupid man! You think I'm...
Are you okay? Hope all is well.
As you can see, all is well.
But I heard you scream.
It's part of the play.
Play?
Ma'am.
Okay. If you say so, let me let you play now.
Stupid man! You are running away, Charles. Foolish man! Look at you! Hey! God, did I not pray? How did I end up with such a useless fool? Amoya! You will come and meet me in this house. Come back and meet me in this house. Come and get pillow here. Foolish man.
I'm losing my husband. Who is this girl trying to come between me and my husband? Oh God, help me. Why the sudden change in him? I feel I'm living with a complete stranger. Ike, who is this girl? And why did you allow her? I need to do something.
Oma! Oma! Oma!
Oh, yes, Uncle.
Is the noodle soup ready?
Almost ready, Uncle.
Okay. Okay, get it.
Okay, I should bring it.
Yeah.
Onny, are you not going to the shop today?
How can I go to the shop when you're not strong? I want to take care of you.
Onny, I'm strong now. You need to go to the shop.
Are you chasing me?
No!
Then I am not complaining. I want to be with you. But it's true now. No. I want to do it. You're my wife, okay? Feeling you, I'm taking care of you.
Spoiling me,
Don't worry, I'm just spoiling you.
like this.
Enjoy the night. Don't worry.
Okoh.
See who we have here. Hi.
Well done, no? Yeah, well done. Yeah, fine.
Onny, how are you today?
Fine. With the way my husband has been pampering me. Of course. I need to be fine, oh.
You need to be fine, oh. We brought this for you.
Thank you so much. God bless you too for me. Oma! Oma, please bring chair for my friends.
Hello? Angela. Have they brought the drinks? Okay, I'm coming. It's okay. Let me get to the shop.
How are you?
Please, I want you guys to take care of my wife for me. Can you do that?
We will.
Trust us now, eh? We will take care of her, even if it's for 1 year.
Are you sure?
Eh?
Okay. I'm back, okay?
Bye.
Take care,
Onny, we have not had time to talk since things.
Okay. Bye-bye.
How did it happen?
Okay, I'll see you guys later.
Okay. Bye-bye.
I was just walking from the kitchen. The next thing I saw was blood. I did not even do any hard work that should stress me. It's so strange.
I used to think I'm the only one that has been experiencing strange things.
How do you mean?
Nah. You know, I have this strong feeling that my husband is cheating on me. The feeling is so strong, I don't even know how to explain it, but I am so sure that my husband is cheating on me.
But I thought you said until you see him with your own eyes before you conclude. The last time I saw him with a girl, I came to your house and I told you.
Nah, what are you talking about? Came to whose house and told me what?
Yes, now I came to your house immediately and I told you.
Told me? My house? You don't know what you're saying, please. Came to whose house? How will you tell me something like that and I'll take it lightly?
It's okay. That was in the past. Since you feel that way, the only way to find out is to plant a spy on him.
Yes, you are right. Janet, that is what you will do. And we will help you too.
Okay. If you people say so, no problem. Thank you. Thank you, my friends. What would I do without you as my friends? Thank you. Now let them bring glass. Let us drink juice.
Let's share it.
Hey, come.
Who, me?
Yes, you. Come.
Can I help you? Who are you?
You don't question me. I said come.
See, don't tell me anything. Just come over here and talk to me, okay?
Hey! You don't walk out on me.
Parents, just come here. Or just go.
Look into my eyes.
Angela, you look beautiful. Hey.
Come show me how beautiful I look.
Angela, wow.
Sister, see this your clothes. It will never fade. I like it.
Don't worry, very soon you will inherit it, eh?
Are you serious? Wow, thank you.
Are you okay?
I don't know. I just felt this strange wind blow past me.
Strange wind?
What could this mean? Ah! My husband!
Your husband? Sister, what happened to your husband?
I have to go see Ma right now.
Sister, okay, let's go together.
No, stay here and finish the washing. Stay here, let me go.
Okay. Sister, be careful.
she was pregnant in the first place. What are you talking about? That thing you saw was a cooked story.
Emma.
Yes.
Emma, what do you mean? Are you sure you're ready for this second wife of a thing?
Oh boy.
Think, my friend.
Do you know that? It's like before my eyes was blind. I couldn't see this girl very well. But I think my eyes are open now. I never knew Angela was this beautiful. I never knew Angela was this wonderful. Oh boy, this girl is the day my shop since. I don't even see him. Oh boy, I've made up my mind. I want to marry Angela. And that's it.
Angela.
You heard me right. How much are we going to take there?
Spiritual wife. Stop crying now. You start crying now. You make me to start crying too. It's okay. It's okay. Don't mind that witch girl. Don't mind her. It's only God that will punish her. Okay. Spiritual wife. Okay, God will judge her. Hey, God. It's okay. Spiritual wife. He has made up his mind to take another wife.
Impossible. He wouldn't do a thing like that. Does he think you have nobody to speak for you? Stop crying. Wipe your tears. You still have a father. I am there for you. Oh, Ada? It's okay.
Oga, please say whatever you want to say because I'm very busy inside.
Excuse me. Is that how you do now? Huh? So you refused me entrance to your shop?
Oga, please, in-law, please. I have customers that I need to attend to. I'm very busy. Whatever you want to say it so I can go back and start what I'm doing, please.
If I must go ahead and say what I want to say, since you refused to receive me in your shop, please ask this one by your side to leave. She's not part of this discussion.
This one? Oh. This person that he called this one is my wife to be.
Huh?
Yes, this person that he called this one is my wife to be.
Young man, are you out of your senses?
I want to take a new wife and she's the one that I want to marry.
What is wrong with you? Huh? Illegal? Excuse me. How dare you open your mouth and talk before my face that you have another wife instead of my daughter? Huh? Why have you suddenly changed like this? Now listen to me. I don't know of this one. I know of this one as your wife.
Oga in-law, you can say whatever you want to say. This is my wife and I will marry her. Somebody that can give me children. Your daughter here cannot give me children. And I need children, can't you understand?
Did you give her any pregnancy? Huh? Why be it if you hear the calls? I think you'll be manipulated. Yes. Stop crying, my daughter. Stop crying. You have a father. I will stand in there for you. Come, let's go. Come, let's go. Stop crying. I don't want to.
Spiritual wife.
Ginika mi akolo mamo.
But this is wrong. This is wrong. Upon all we said to you, upon all our advice, upon all we told you, you still went ahead. You still went ahead and married your sales girl, Angela. No. No. You didn't even respect her.
You see your business, Obasagi. Ike Obasagi. Even your Obasagi. Yeah? It's not your business. What I did, or the decision I took, was my decision. If in Chimeka, do I resemble a kid in your eye? Let me ask you. Now, see, don't give me that. Your opinion, your advices, I don't want it.
Ozo, our views don't count. So what are friends for? Accept. No, tell me, what are friends for? If you can't respect our views, that means our friendship is baseless.
It's not needed. Look, Emma, I, Charlie, even came to your house to advise you, but you did not listen. You can go ahead with your so-called wife.
He's my wife. You sure you call her my wife? You called her my wife.
Ima, listen, this is the head of things.
Baby. Hold on, no. What's happening? There's no problem. You people calling my name, so I said to come out. Thank you. Oga Charles, what's happening?
Okoh said, no man, no palegade. Ebe will see ya Omaka.
How Okoh take enter this talk?
Yeah, go ahead.
Can you imagine? Ike, are you still drinking?
Dikeh, what's happening?
You don't want to drink,
you're
looking at me.
For you.
I beg, where you there?
Hey.
I talk business first. Are they come?
Aye. You won't go to? With them, and they are talking rubbish.
But they don't like me.
I don't know. Just forget that one.
Don't do anything.
Baby, forget it. What do you want from me? What if you can melee?
The stuff is prepared.
This pepper soup, is it done?
Yes.
Oh! Obembe and Amanonte. I know you know a wonderful cook. Yeah? Hey! These boys, they don't know what I'm enjoying here, and they're here discouraging me. Yeah? They go down, they go fresh.
Baby, I'm coming. Oh, where go?
Don't small. If I make mouth, I go no say I make mouth.
I'm coming.
It's okay. It's okay. Give me one big stout.
Okay.
Stop crying now, eh? Stop.
Only stop crying. Crying will not solve this problem. There is a place I will take you to. After visiting that place, your husband will come running to you. I strongly believe that stupid girl tied your husband, and you need to untie him.
I don't believe in that.
You don't believe what? That is why the stupid girl snatched your husband away from you. Stay there and watch till they throw you out of your house. Those useless girls out there.
It's okay. Stop crying. Oh.
Give me now. Oh, I don't know what you're doing. Oh, give me joy.
Okay, well, it's coming like a bomb.
What are you doing? Give me joy.
It's coming.
Please, give me joy.
You like it?
No,
Like
I don't like this before.
Okay.
Don't like it.
Really
No, I'm liking it. Baby. Can't do that, Joe.
I'll do that, Joe. I like that sound. Let me do my own. I know you said you don't like this and now you're rushing it.
Sister? What happened to my clothing?
Oh. Sister, Uncle said I should pack all the clothes into this room.
What?
Sister, I thought you knew. Anyway, he said from now on that this is where we'll be living, both of us.
Ima said what?
Sister!
What is it? Why are you shouting my name like a mad dog? Are you mad? Are you insane?
Why did you move my things out of our room?
Oh, that. My dear, things have changed. My new wife here has packed into my room. While you will stay in the visitor's room where you belong. And please, I'm busy. You're disturbing me.
Ima, this is not fair. Ima, how could you do this? It's not right in any way. And you, husband snatcher, stupid thing.
Onny,
Ima, you. Oh,
get out from here.
how could you?
Leave this place. Get out from this place. Are you mad?
Sister, don't mind them. Don't mind them, okay?
Get out from here.
Sister, it's okay. It's okay. Don't mind them. Uncle, this thing you're doing is not fair. It's not fair what you're doing. God will judge you. God will judge you.
Vagabond. Silly bugger.
Baby, calm down. You just wasted it. I don't like it too.
What?
You just don't like it too.
Don't mind me.
Don't you use money to buy it?
Tabili. Tabili from the go. Nonsense. It's stopping my peace.
Don't mind them.
As you can see, I'm busy.
I came to inform you that your daughter's birthday is in 2 days' time. She wishes to spend it with you.
What?
Yes, she wants to spend 2 days with you.
That's not possible.
Stop shouting, or you will attract your woman. Why is it not possible? This is the first thing our daughter is asking of you. You want to deny her of it? Do you?
It's not like I'm denying her, but my wife. What? People will see me as a crazy person if they see me talking to myself.
You have to look for a way to go about it. All I know is that her birthday is in 2 days' time. She wants to be with you and spend an extra day with you. You should be thinking of how to make her day memorable, instead of thinking of what people or your woman will say. 2 days' time.
Ginika ma call him mom. Ginika ma call him mom. Ginika ma call him mom. What will I tell my mother?
She's by my side. I don't can save me now? I hear strange voices in my head. There's a strange woman in my bed. I can't run, no, I can't hide. I feel like I'm losing my mind.
What is it? Please help me. Help me, oh my friend. I've lost my husband.
Stop.
I am ready to go anywhere. Take me anywhere. I need to save my marriage. I need to.
Stop crying. I will not.